about common and proper noun. This topic is about common and proper noun. I'm sure these terms are not new to you. Common and proper noun, you must be known with them. Let us see the definition for the common noun. Common noun is what? Common noun is used in naming not specific person, place, and things. It means when it is not used in naming specific person, it means it is a common noun. Common noun, now when we say that generally we name a thing, person, or place, generally we name it or commonly we name it, then we say that this is the common noun. And when we give a specific name to that general name or noun, then it becomes what? Proper noun. So common nouns are the general or common name of person, places, or things. I am emphasizing common nouns are the general or not special names, general or not special names of person, places, and things. Fine. They we call as a common noun. Since these nouns are not naming anything specific, they do not need to start with capital letters unless they begin a sentence. So really, if a noun is a common noun or if a name is a common name, not special name, then we are not going to start it with a capital letter. Okay? We do not start a common noun or a name with a capital letter. We always start it with a small letter unless a, a sentence starts with a common noun. Okay? If a sentence starts with a common noun, then we may write the first letter of the common noun as capital. Otherwise, never ever we use capital letter for the starting of the common nouns. So this is what about common noun. Let us see the examples of the common noun. You can see the first example is mall. Okay, mall is a common or general name of any mall. There are so many malls in Muscat, sorry, in Oman, in Muscat, or in Suhar, or even over the world. But those all malls we call as mall. This is the common noun of all the malls. But if we give a special name to any mall, like you say Oasis Mall, okay, if we give it a specific name, then it becomes what? A proper noun. Oasis Mall is a specific or proper name of a mall. Fine, but until unless we have not added any specific name with it, it is common noun. Mall is a common noun. Boy is a common noun. Like all of you are boys. This name or this noun is a common with you. Okay, boy. Then school is a common noun. All the schools in the world, if they are schools in general or commonly we call them as school. But if we give those schools a proper noun or proper name, then it becomes its proper noun. Like Pakistan School Suhar. Pakistan School Suhar is a proper noun or specific name of a school. Fine. Then building, until unless we have given a specific name to a building, it would remain as a common noun. Tree is a common noun. If we say oak tree, date tree, then they become specific or proper noun. Flower is a common noun. But if I say rose flower, pansy flower, then they become what? Specific or proper nouns. Book is a common noun until unless you have given it a proper name like grammar book, English book, then it becomes what? Specific or proper noun. SST book and mathematics book, then they become what? Specific or proper noun. Now let us move to the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is used in naming a specific person, place, and thing. Yes, proper noun is what? It is a specific and special name of a person, place, and thing. It is a specific or special name of a person, place, and thing. Fine. And I have already told you that to a common noun, when we give a specific name or special name, then it turns into what? A proper noun or a specific noun. Fine. So this is the difference between the common and the specific noun. One more thing which we discuss about the proper noun is that since these nouns are naming specific things, they begin with capital letters. Remember, common nouns do not start with the capital letters. As I told you earlier, they do not start with a capital letter, but the initial letter of the proper noun is always what? Capital. Okay? The initial letter or the beginning letter of the proper noun is always capital. Either they are in the middle of the sentence, they are in the beginning of the sentence, or wherever they are in the sentence, they always start with the first letter as capital letter. But for the common noun, I told you that they always start with the small letter. But if they come into the beginning of the sentence, they start a sentence, then their first letter is capitalized. Second point, sometimes they contain two or more important words. Okay, common noun is consisted of only one word. Common noun has only one word in it. But when we talk about the proper noun, they contain two or more words. They sometimes, not all the time, but many times they consist of more than two words. If I say a proper noun like Umar, Ali, Rehan, Rashid, they contain only one noun, one proper noun. This is a single name, proper noun. But if I say a mall name like Oasis Mall, if I say an ocean name, Atlantic Ocean, they consisted of two words. Okay? So proper noun could consist of more than two words. But for the common noun, they only have one noun, one name in it. Okay? So this is the difference between the common and the proper noun. Now let us see the examples in all. When we together see common and proper noun, you just see first of all common noun. What are the common nouns? Man, mountain, ocean, state, country, building, cat, website. They are all the common or general name of a man or mountain, which is a large hill. Mountain is a large steep hill, that is called what? Mountain. It is a common name of that hill, which is the largest of all. And then ocean, ocean, a big source of water. This is a common name of that big source of water, ocean. State, country, the same country or the state are the same, used for one thing. Buildings, cat, website, okay, web pages. These are all the common and general name of the things: man, mountain, ocean, state, country, building, cat. But if we give them specific name or proper specific or special name, then they become what? Proper noun. Like man, I have not written the name here, man. If we write the name of any man, it could be Rehan, Rashid, any name could you can write here. Then it becomes a specific name of that man, and it turns into what? Proper noun. It turns into what? Proper noun when we give it a specific or special name. When we talk about mountain, mountain is a common name, but if I give it a proper name like Mount Everest, okay, I give it a proper name, Mount Everest K2, then they become what? The proper nouns. They turn into proper noun. From common to proper noun they are changed if I give them a special or specific name. Ocean. Ocean is a common noun, but if I add Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, then they turn into what? Specific or special names, and so we say them as a proper nouns. Again, state, Minnesota, California, these are the states names, specific names are proper nouns. Okay, country is a common noun. If I give it a specific name, United States or Australia, then it turns into what? Proper noun. Building is a common noun, but if I name a special building, Empire State Building, then it turns into a proper noun. Cat is a common name for a cat, but if I say Buttons or Fluffy, these are the names of the cats. Many of you must be having, some of you must be having a cat, and you must have given a name to it also. So those names of those cats are called proper nouns. Website, web page, it is actually a general name, but when I gave a special name to English Grammar Revolution, then it becomes its specific or proper noun. So this is the difference between common and proper noun. You can see one more thing. All the common nouns, they start with the first letter as small letter, like man. M of man is small, mountain M is small, ocean O is small, state S is small, country C is small, building B is small, cat C is small, website W is small. But when you look at the proper nouns, see their first letter is capitalized. With every word, the first letter has been capitalized. Mount M would be capitalized. It's Everest. If I write Everest with it, E would also be capitalized. Then Atlantic, A is capitalized. Even when you are writing ocean with Atlantic, O would be capitalized. Okay, because it has become a proper noun in all. So both the word Atlantic and ocean which will start with first letter as capital, and Indian Ocean also like this. Minnesota or California, names of states, their first letters are capitalized. United States, you can see United, U is capitalized, States, S is capitalized, Australia, A is capitalized, Empire State Building, it has three words in it. And you can see with every word, the first letter is capital. You can notice it because it is a proper noun. So for a proper noun, if it has more than two words, more than one word, two or three words, with every word, the first letter would be capitalized. Okay, and buttons, B is capitalized, F is capitalized in fluffy English grammar, three words it has, or with every word the first letter is capitalized. So this is the difference between common and proper noun, that common noun is a general, and let me summarize it in short. We can say common noun is a general or not special noun of a person, place or thing. It starts with small letter, first letter is small, but if it starts a sentence, then its first letter is capitalized. And third point about it is that it is always consisted of one word. Okay, these are the three main points about the common noun. When we talk about the proper noun is a special or specific name of a person, place or thing, and it always starts with first letter as capital letter, and it could, third point is that it could have more than one word. Sometime it is consisted of one word, sometime of two words, and sometime even three words. And with every word, for the every word you would write first letter as capital, like you have seen in these examples. Okay, every word in proper noun is starting with first letter as capital letter. Okay, so this is all about it. Let me give you, you open your books of English on page 27, please. Your books of English on page 27, all of you open them. Let me give you one thing to do, and that is your exercise. As you can see on the screen, this is your exercise on the page 27 of your book. Always you keep your books or rough notebooks with you, books and rough notebooks with you. Okay, so you can look at this exercise of the page 27. This is on the very top. Let me read the question statement. Classify the given words into common and proper nouns. Okay, here classify word means that you have to divide them into groups. Okay, into which groups? Common noun group and proper noun group. Here you can see in this exercise the group has been made, common nouns group and proper noun groups, and you have been given the list of the words also. List of the word is read like this: lake, aslam, child, haris, sun, chinab, English, house. Now you people list them into common nouns and into proper nouns. Choose the common nouns and list them here into the group of the common nouns, and then choose the proper nouns and list them here into the group of the proper nouns. Take only 3 minutes, not more than this, because this activity is not that difficult. Take only 3 minutes, and right after 3 minutes, and I shall, you can match your answers with the right answers which I have also done for you. And listen, be careful that the first letter of the proper noun would be capitalized and the first letter of the common noun would be small. Okay, this point you must keep in the mind. Take only 3 minutes please for this activity. I hope you must have done so. I should show you the right answer, and now you match your answers with it, or the list of the common nouns or the proper nouns you have made. Match it with it. Yes, now match. Have you done like this? Match with it and see if the first letter of the proper nouns is capitalized or not. If not, capitalize it. This would be a big mistake if you would write the first letter of the proper noun as small. Okay, write the first letter of the proper nouns as capital, not small. And for the common nouns, first letter would be small, like L you can see is small for lake, child C is small, house H is small, and son S is small. And for proper nouns, Aslam A is capitalized, Chinab C is capitalized. Very good. Ashna has done. Haris H is capitalized. English E is capitalized. Sadeen has also done. Good. How about others? Take your time. Only 2 more minutes and complete it, and then we proceed to the next topic. Okay. Nice. Every one of you is busy in doing this. Good. So this was all about your topic, common and proper noun. I hope many of the things would be clear to you. Let me summarize again. Common noun is a noun or a name which is not special. It is a general name and it starts with first letter as small letter and it consisted of only one word. These three main important points about the common noun. And for the proper noun is a special or specific name of a thing, person or place. It always starts with first letter as capital letter and it can consist of more than one word. They could be 2 or 3 words and with every word the first letter would be capitalized. Okay, so these are few points about the important points about the common and the proper noun. With this the topic is ended.